What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a Bluetooth speaker that you can use outdoor. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can get a look at it. So once you get it out the box, you have your user manual. You also have a USB cable. This is going to be USB-A to USB-C. You can use this to charge the unit. Also, you can use this to charge another device like your phone because the battery acts as a power bank. So this is going to be the Bluetooth speaker. It's nice and portable. It's not really heavy. This particular one is going to be in this yellow color with the black accents. And it also comes in all black if you prefer that. It's going to be a really cool speaker to take with you, whether you're going to be just outdoors or you're heading to the pool or to the lake. This is going to be a nice little speaker to have to play music, set the mood, get the party started. So some of the features that this is going to have is this is going to be an 80-watt speaker. So basically this is going to be pretty loud as well. It's also going to have nice bass because it has these nice subs on the sides of it, these drivers on the side to give it that nice bass. And to enhance that, it actually has a bass boost button on the top. Now to turn this on, let's go ahead and get that on first. You just press the power button.
Power on. Battery medium.
And it'll tell you that the power's on. It also tell you the levels of the battery. So if your battery is at topped off, it's at high percentage, it's going to say battery high. If your battery is in the mid percentage, it says battery medium. And if it's low, it's going to say battery low. You also have easy access controls right on the top. Going around the speaker, you can see these LED lights. They also are on the back of the speaker. Makes it really cool. And you also have a function to change the pattern. Now, when you flip it on the back, you notice that you have this cover, and this is where you're going to have your USB connections on the back. So you have a USB connection. You also have an auxiliary connection, so you can get plugged in directly into the speaker. You also have a mic connection. So if you want to do a little karaoke, sing along with the music, you can do that. And then you also have a headphone jack. So if you want to listen in private, you can do that as well. Just connect right in the back of the unit. Now, getting connected to this is really easy. You're just going to go to your Bluetooth settings on your device, and you're going to look for the model number, which is going to be the SP006. Click on that, and that's going to get you connected. Once again, this could be great for a movie night. So if you need audio for an outdoor theater, you can use this as well. Now, when you're out and about, this is IPX6, so that means that it's dust proof. It's going to be able to handle being in the rain. One thing you don't want to do is don't put it in the pool or drop it in the lake. But for other weather situations, this is going to be great. It's nice and protected. It's sealed. Also, it's ultra portable once again. And for the playtime, you're going to get up to 30 hours of battery life on here. So the battery lasts a long time. And if you really want that extra sound, you can go ahead and get two of these. If you have two, you can pair it and have one as the master and one as the slave. And you can have that true left and right sound, and it will really feel the area that you're in. So once again, guys, this is going to be the portable 80-watt Bluetooth speaker. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.